Here's how the controller works. You first want to calibrate temperature if accuracy is important to you, of course. We use ice water to calibrate. It should be 32 degrees Fahrenheit. In this case, we're showing 32.4. We go to P2 to adjust 0.4 degrees further away from where it already is. Now it should show 32 degrees. We're now going to show how to toggle or set Fahrenheit versus Celsius. Go to P4. That's how you set it. We are going to show you how to set start and shut off temperature by using P0 and P1. At P1, we set shut off at 113 degrees. That's warm. You can adjust that, and we at P0 set 95 degrees to start power heating water up. You can adjust that as well. Last, we're going to show you there's the delay function. Go to P3 that lets you delay X number of minutes once the low temperature is reached before the power turns on. Thank you for shopping fixture displays.